Hi everyone, my name is Vũ, the member of class A159 group we are on. Today I'm introducing to you my favorite food. It's fried rice. Do you like this? This is very popular in Hanoi, which also name is cơm rang thập cẩm or cơm rang dưa bò. Material including cooking oil, rice, and beef and eggs. How to do it? I will instruction to you cooking this dish. So first, mix rice and egg with together. Then heat the frying pan with cooking oil. Then put the mixture into the pan with onion. Beef cook for 5 minutes. You can eat with soup and vegetable. I will try it. You can eat it with soup and vegetable. This is very tasty and easy to cook. This when not much time, I easily eat it. I think you should try it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.